Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pepper soup. This incredibly flavorful and aromatic dish is a true delight, especially if you appreciate a good spicy kick. We'll go over everything you need to know, from gathering your ingredients to the final delicious serving. Get ready to create a comforting and warming meal that's perfect for any occasion. It's a wonderful way to explore the rich culinary traditions of West Africa right in your own kitchen. To begin, let's talk about what you'll need. First, choose your protein. Goat meat, fish, or chicken are popular options. The heart of pepper soup lies in its unique spice blend, so make sure to get traditional pepper soup spices like uziza, uda, and ehuru. You'll also need fresh aromatics such as onions, garlic, ginger, and some hot peppers for that signature heat. Don't forget scent leaves or basil for a fresh garnish at the end. Now, let's get cooking. Start by thoroughly cleaning your chosen protein and seasoning it with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and some chopped onion. Boil the protein until it's tender, then introduce your carefully blended pepper soup spices into the pot. Next, add your chopped onions, garlic, ginger, and fresh peppers. Let the entire mixture simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld into a rich, aromatic broth. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Ladle the hot pepper soup into bowls and garnish generously with fresh scent leaves or basil. You can serve this comforting soup as a standalone meal, or pair it with a side of boiled yam, rice, or even fried plantain. It's truly perfect for a cozy evening or whenever you crave something warm and spicy. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of fresh peppers to suit your personal spice preference. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.